In this tutorial, we'll explain how to create an exercise template. Click the New Template button, then enter in the new template name. Next, enter in the beginning date, which is a reference point only for the date in which you have created the routine. This is not the date used to be assigned to your client. Enter in the duration, and then enter in the details about the routine, then click Submit. The duration of the days will be highlighted in green. You can click on each of the green days with your mouse to navigate between them. You can also edit your template that you've created by clicking the Edit Template button and changing the duration, date, or notes. Once you have completed entering the template name and duration, you can start adding your movements to the template.